Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office and I'm pretty excited because I have the June Joyful Jordan box to share with you today. So welcome to my office. As a consultant with Jordan Essentials, I have the opportunity to earn my Joyful Jordan box for free, and the best part is I get the next month's box early. So by having 500 in sales by the 15th of the month, or what we call green by 15, I was able to get my June box sent to me early and got it for free, which is awesome. So I'm really excited to share it with you today. And I love that program because as a consultant, it just gives me something fun to look forward to and a great little incentive to just keep working my business. Okay, and June is my birthday month, so I'm really excited to see what is in this little box of awesomeness. And here we go. This is the June Joyful Jordan box for 2022. There's a cute card that says, "Summer, the season of making warm family memories." And that's from Psalm 126:3. And on the back of the card, it's going to tell us what's in the box. So we'll start at the top. We have a cooling face gel. And that's this little one here. And I love the cute little label on there. Mango and aloe cooling face gel is best used after sun exposure. Apply at the end of the day or throughout the day to calm redness. The whole family will enjoy using this cooling gel designed especially for the face. So this is a great little size to just throw into a pool bag or throw in your purse if you're just out and about spending the day outside or at the pool or at the river, depending on where you live, or at the ocean if you are lucky enough to be close to the ocean. So I love having this nice little travel size. I can just throw it in my bag and be ready to go because inevitably sometimes we get a little too much sun. Next, we have the soothing spray. And it looks like this is in a witch hazel base, aloe to soothe, lavender to restore, peppermint to cool. Enjoy this all-in-one amazing soothing spray, a must-have this summer. So again, this will be a great one just to keep in my pool bag and have it ready to go. So if we've had a little too much sun and we're kind of done for the day, we can spritz that warm pink skin and soothe and cool and restore the skin. Now for something fun, we have a couple of items in a vaulted fragrance. So if you've been around for a little while, then you might remember black raspberry and vanilla, one of our classic scents from back in the days when it was called Country Bunny Bath and Body. So here we have a shower gel, and again, this is a nice little travel size. This looks like it's a 3-ounce bottle. So it's our rich emollient shower gel in that fresh and fruity black raspberry and vanilla scent. Black raspberry and vanilla shower gel is the ideal size for taking on a summer trip or treating yourself to a summer scent. And all of our products are SLS free, phthalate free, non-toxic choices, give you peace of mind knowing your choices leave your skin lightly fragranced, soft, and beautifully healthy. And I love that about all of our products. Everything's made in Missouri and healthy, non-toxic, good for you ingredients. So I love that I can get a box like this, which is worth $40. And I think I forgot to mention the price on the box is always $29. And if you do sign up for the recurring subscription, then you don't pay anything for the shipping. So it's going to ship for free and you'll get all these good, healthy products every month. And it's a surprise each month what's coming. Finally, we have our body spritzer in a little travel spray here, and this is just a little 1-ounce spray bottle, which again is really fun and easy to throw into a purse or a pool bag so you can freshen up. Black raspberry and vanilla body spritzer can be sprayed on as a body spritzer or on linens to freshen and add a light summer berries fragrance. And once again, this is in a witch hazel base, so something healthy and safe for your skin. And I actually love taking our spritzers and spraying my bath towels, and then when I get out of the shower, I'm greeted with the scent of whatever I chose that day, something light and fresh or invigorating. But it's just a fun way to enjoy some of my favorite Jordan Essentials scents. So there we have it, the June Joyful Jordan box for 2022, and I will put all the information in the description down below. Let me know in the comments if you've tried a Joyful Jordan box and what you think, or if you are curious about some of the products, you can always reach out to me and I'm happy to answer questions. And again, it'll all be linked below in the description. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button on your way out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.